In this video, we're assembling the Maxpeedingrods gear puller kit and testing it on a 2021 Honda Civic. The puller kit includes 4 complete sets in total, which allow you to assemble 4 3-jaw pullers and 4 2-jaw pullers. Arranged from smallest to largest, we have 4 sets of puller arms, 4 push screws, assorted nuts and bolts for assembly, support brackets for the 2-jaw pullers, and support brackets for the 3-jaw pullers. And these are the corresponding locking plates for the brackets. Now let's see how to assemble a 3-jaw puller and a 2-jaw puller. We'll prepare all the parts required: puller arms, brackets, nuts and bolts, and locking plates. We'll start with the 2-jaw puller. Start with the main body, align the puller jaws and make sure they're in the correct orientation. At this point you can choose inward or outward positioning. We'll start with outward positioning. Prepare the bolts and support brackets. Place the centerpiece and arms on the bolts. Attach the second support brackets. Make sure they're the same length and secure them with the nuts. Then, thread in the push screw to complete the 2-jaw puller assembly. Now let's assemble the 3-jaw puller. Attach the support brackets to the centerpiece with the nuts and bolts. Insert the bolt through a bracket, the centerpiece, then the second bracket. Make sure the brackets are the same length and secure them with nuts and bolts. Follow the same procedure to attach the puller arms, and during installation, ensure that all the parts are aligned and in the same direction. And finally, attach the push screw. One thing to note is that the medium and large push screws are interchangeable. This is the assembled 3-jaw puller, and this is the assembled 2-jaw puller. Now let's use the puller to remove a hub from a CV axle. First, remove the axle nut. You can use a pry bar to secure the brake rotor. Next, remove the brake caliper, and remove the brake rotor. Once the brake components are removed, prepare the medium 3-jaw puller. Position it correctly with the arms grabbing the hub and push screw on the shaft. Adjust as needed, and keep in mind that all 3 jaws must grip the same surface. Once adjusted, use a 22mm socket to tighten the push screw, and this will remove the stubborn hub. We can also use the 2-jaw puller from the kit. After positioning it correctly, use the 22mm socket to tighten the push screw. This will also remove the hub.